Hi guys, welcome back to smartsjunior.com. I'm your online tutor, Adrian Perez, and today we're doing a fun science experiment. We're doing elephant toothpaste. So first, we better get our ingredients. We will need a 16-ounce plastic bottle, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, a quarter of a cup of dish soap, a pack of yeast, food coloring, and some warm water. And for your safety, get your safety goggles. Okay, so first we're gonna get half a cup of hydrogen peroxide very carefully and this. Then we have to put a fourth of a cup of dishwashing soap. It's okay if it spills, no worries. Then you have to get your food coloring and put a few drops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I would say 4 is a good amount. Then in another container we have to get 3 tablespoons of warm water. We're just gonna put it in this container. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Set it down and get your yeast. You have to get 1 pack of yeast or 1 tablespoon. They're the same amount. Now all we have to do is pour it in. And woo, here it comes! Look at that, guys. We made elephant toothpaste. Super cool. The science about this is that the yeast is a catalyst and the foam has little oxygen bubbles. The oxygen bubbles kind of break up the foam, so it makes it kind of like more foamier. Also, the catalyst makes a reaction fast. When it makes it fast, it just splurts out, or just like expands out while the reaction still is happening. So, pretty cool, right guys? Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe to, and comment down below for more awesome videos. Thank you guys. And don't forget, don't touch it because this can irritate your skin. Bye guys.